Hi. What is it? Okay, it's Mom and Aiden, and we're here to unbox and open up
the CD.
The Baby Einstein Company Playtime Classic CD.
And it says,
featuring classical music from Baby Einstein's best-selling videos. Compliments of Huggies.
here's the front and the back. And the title says,
Playtime Classics features musical arrangements from 3 of your favorite Baby Einstein videos: Baby Bach, Baby Mozart, and Baby Newton.
Okay, let's start opening it up right now.
Okay. Do you need a knife? Want me to get a knife?
No.
Okay.
Watch.
Okay.
Here we go.
There we go. You got it.
Let's see what's inside.
Wow. There it is. The Baby Einstein Company Playtime Classics. There you go. Thanks for joining us. We hope you had a good time seeing everything from Savers. Bye-bye. See you later. The end.